apocalypse.
Hey there world, here's another bonus movie. This morning you may have seen I posted that I had a smoking A8 printer, which I found out was because my heating element had popped out. Well, I've got that heating element put back in and I printed a new fan, and I'm here to say the A8 printer is printing better than it has in forever, and I'm printing with ABS. So the bed is doing what it's supposed to, and the whole A8 is working like it's expected. And also, I am printing one of the tops that my students created using that awesome YouTube movie. So, if you're into making things that print in place and then are fun to use after, you should check it out. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Unicorn zombie apocalypse.